Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're dreaming about your next adventure, let me take you on a little journey to Santiago, Chile, a city that totally deserves a spot on your bucket list. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just planning your first big trip, Santiago will surprise you at every turn. So, let's dive in. First things first, Santiago is tucked between the snow-capped Andes and the rolling Chilean coastal range. That means you get these epic mountain views almost everywhere you look. If you're into city vibes with a side of nature, this is your place. Let's kick things off with the must-see landmarks. You cannot visit Santiago without heading up to Cerro San Cristobal. It's a massive hill right in the city center. Hike or hop on the funicular, and at the top, you'll find the iconic Virgin Mary statue and panoramic views that'll blow up your Instagram. And trust me, sunset here? Absolutely magical. For a slice of history, wander over to Plaza de Armas, the city's heart. It's buzzing with street artists, musicians, and locals just living life. Don't miss the Metropolitan Cathedral. Step inside and you're instantly transported into another era. Now, if you're a culture buff, you'll want to check out the Barrio Bellavista. This neighborhood is pure energy, street art, quirky cafes, live music, and the best nightlife in Santiago. Grab a pisco sour, that's Chile's famous cocktail, and watch the city come alive after dark. Craving more art and history? Head to the Museo de la Memoria y los Derechos Humanos. It's a powerful museum dedicated to Chile's recent history. It's not just educational, it's moving, and it really gives you a sense of the resilience of the Chilean people. Of course, foodies, Santiago is calling your name. Be sure to try pastel de choclo, a kind of Chilean shepherd's pie, and fresh seafood at Mercado Central. The market is bustling, colorful, and the perfect spot to mingle with locals over a plate of ceviche. If you need a breath of fresh air, the city has you covered. Stroll through Parque Bicentenario in Vitacura, feed the swans, sip some coffee, and just chill out. Or if you're feeling adventurous, take a day trip to the nearby Andes for hiking or skiing, depending on the season. Here's a pro tip. Santiago's metro is clean, safe, and super easy to navigate. Perfect for getting around the city without breaking the bank. And don't worry about the language barrier. People here are friendly and happy to help, even with just a little Spanish. So, there you have it, a whistle-stop tour of Santiago, Chile. Whether you're into history, food, adventure, or just soaking up local vibes, Santiago truly has something for everyone. Pack your bags, brush up on your Spanish, and get ready for a city that'll steal your heart. See you in